Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add a child account on Xbox Series X. Parental control guide step by step clearly. Turn on your Xbox Series X and sign in with the parent or organizer account. Press the Xbox button on the controller to open the guide. Go to Profile and System and select Settings. In Settings, select Account. Select Family Settings to manage child accounts and permissions. Choose Manage Family Members to start adding a new child profile. Select Add to Family, and then choose Add New. If your child already has a Microsoft account email, select Add Existing and enter it. If your child does not have an account, select Create an Account and choose Get a New Email. Enter your child's first and last name exactly as you want it to appear. Set a strong password and write it down in a safe place for the parent only. Select your child's date of birth carefully because it controls age-based restrictions. Complete the security prompts and follow the on-screen steps to finish account creation. When asked, confirm that this account is a child and add it to your family group. Return to Family Settings and select the child account you just added. Open Content Access and choose an age rating level that matches your child. Decide whether to allow or block access to games and apps above that rating. Go to Web Filtering if you want to limit browser content and set it to strict or custom. Open Screen Time and set daily limits for weekdays and weekends. Choose the hours your child is allowed to play and block time outside that schedule. Go to Spending and set Ask a Parent for purchases to prevent unauthorized buying. Disable or limit game and app purchases if you want full purchase protection. Open Communication and Multiplayer and set who can talk, message, or join multiplayer sessions. Adjust cross-network play permissions if you want to restrict online interactions. Go to Privacy Settings and choose a child-safe privacy preset or customize each option. Turn on Activity Reporting if you want weekly email reports about playtime and usage. Sign out of the parent account and sign in once as the child to confirm everything works. If something is too strict or too open, go back to Family Settings and fine-tune the limits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.